Hello and welcome to the John Ark Show. Today's episode is called How Much Money Do You Need to Survive the Coming Financial Collapse? Before we begin, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on that notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's show on all your social media to help spread the word. Now, let's get started. So here is the question, the all-important question. How much money will most people need to survive the coming financial collapse? We don't give investment advice, so we decided to do something even better. We performed an analysis of the kind that a lot of hedge funds, large hedge funds, and super banks do before they make a major financial decision. Here are the financial parameters that we were interested in. How much money will most people need to survive a severe financial collapse? Well, that depends on how you define financial collapse. For the purposes of this analysis, we decided to define a financial collapse as follows. The unemployment rate will continue to climb. We're talking the real unemployment rate, not the fake numbers that they publish on a regular basis. Next, we believe that if they continue to leave the interest rates high, then that will also seriously worsen the situation. Another problem is that it's getting more and more difficult to borrow money, and that will be an element in this issue. The banks are becoming more restrictive and reluctant to loan people money. That's just the way it is. They're also closing a lot of credit cards that haven't been used in a year or two. Next, we have both the brick and mortar retail sector and the online retail stores that are both degrading their services, and they're charging more for their services, and that's making things worse. So if all of these issues and challenges persist, what can people do to survive everything that so many other people believe is fast approaching? As we said, we don't give financial advice, but here's what we see a lot of wealthy and middle class and even poor people doing in preparation for the financial collapse they believe is coming. First of all, cancel all your planned vacations. A lot of people believe that we're now entering a 12 to 24 month period where the cost of vacations for most people will simply be too prohibitive, and that they'll need to hang on to that money to weather what's coming. And when we say what's coming, a lot of the time that means extended unemployment. Unfortunately, it also means other problems too. For example, we predict that many people will soon be shocked by insurance and property tax increases that'll make it impossible for them to hang on to their homes, and they'll end up moving to a rental or an apartment. On the one hand, this will make it easier for them to save money, but on the other hand, it'll become extremely stressful for them. So how much money and effort will it take to financially survive the coming financial storms? We estimate that most people will need to set aside or save up at least 12 to 24 months worth of expenses so that they can endure an extended financial challenge. Well, a lot of people are allocating their wealth and money among several banks and places to conceal or store their wealth. Some people are renting safety deposit boxes. Some people are putting their wealth in private banks or private storage facilities. Some people are opening accounts at multiple banks in case something goes wrong at one of them. Some people are hiding their money at home or on their property. Some people are hiding some of their money at their mother's house or a trusted relative's home. The number of places to conceal one's wealth can vary depending on your options. But one of the major primary concerns that some people have is to make sure that their money is stored in a waterproof container, and fireproof is also nice if you can afford that. Another thing that people are doing is that they're going out and getting second and third jobs even if they don't need them now. This is being done so that if they do lose their job, they'll have the other two to rely on during the collapse. The remaining two jobs will continue putting food on the table and a roof over the family's head. Some people are also putting aside gold and silver and Bitcoin just in case things get that bad. Remember, the point is to stockpile your wealth and set it aside just in case the worst of the worst happens. Good luck. Thank you for watching. I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on that notification bell so you can be notified every time we post a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's show on all your social media to let everyone know. Thank you again, and we shall talk to you soon. Bye bye.